Hi, I have with me Sutirtha Mukherjee and Ohika Mukherjee and their coach Mamta. They have created history in China here. पहले मैं कोच से पूछना चाहूँगी कि जब चाइना के अगेंस्ट मैच था तो आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था और आपने दोनों को क्या कहा?
पहले तो चाइना की टॉप प्लेयर थी, वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन रह चुकी है, ओलंपिक चैम्पियन रह चुकी है, तो बहुत ही टफ मैच था और क्राउड भी चाइना का इतना ज़्यादा था कि हम 13-15 ही लोग थे, तो काफ़ी टफ था। बट मैच के पहले ही हम तीनों ने सोचा था कि यस, हम ये कर सकते हैं, इनको मार सकते हैं और हम अपना बेस्ट कोशिश करेंगे इनको मारने के लिए।
सुतीर्था, एक टाइम पे गेम पे आप लोग पीछे चल रहे थे, तो तब कितना टेंस माहौल था, क्योंकि सब यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली ओपोनेंट पे के लिए चिल्ला रहे थे और हम जो चिल्ला भी रहे थे उनकी आवाज़ पहुँचना बहुत मुश्किल था। तो कैसे, मतलब आप लोग खुद को कैसे मोटिवेट कर रहे थे उस वक्त?
वही कि हम लोग खुद को बोल रहे थे कि हम बिलीव करते हैं, हम कर सकते, तो ये अगर हम जीतेंगे तो बहुत ही एक हिस्ट्री होगा, क्योंकि चाइना में आके चाइनीज़ को हराना, और ये चेंगमेंग और ये वांग यीदी, ये लोग वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन है, डरबन में जीते थे ये लोग, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है उधर इनको हराया और हम लोग अपना 100% दिया।
Ohika, you have been playing pressure matches even in the women's team game. So how have you been handling the pressure? Because in the past we have seen you have kind of, found it difficult under pressure. But this time you were on top in most of the pressure games. So what have you changed, or have you changed something?
Not special, not anything. Like it was like same like before, and but I should say that our support staff and the support of Sai Federation and everyone, the whole team, they have supported me so much. So it was like naturally coming, the handling, the pressure handling and everything. It was naturally coming.
ममता जी, ये फीलिंग बताइए, जब आप जीत गए तब पहला दिमाग में क्या आया और कैसा लगा?
पहले तो आया कि बहुत खुश हुए कि हम जीत गए हैं। सेकंड चीज़ आई कि हमने चाइना में रह के चाइनीज़ टॉप प्लेयर को मारा, चाइनीज़ क्राउड के सामने, उनके जो सबसे बड़े कोच और सबसे बड़े प्लेयर हैं जिनको हम खुद आदर्श मानते हैं, मालिन, उनके सामने हमने ये हिस्ट्री, एक नई इतिहास रचाया, लड़कियों ने वो भी, तो बहुत ही खुशी हुई।
Sutirtha, you tell me, what did you feel when you guys won?
मुझे तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था जब जीत गए, तो मुझे शॉक हो गया था, विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था, मतलब चाइना को हराए, पर हम बिलीव किया था कि हम जीत सकते हैं। मैच के बीच ही बोल रहे थे दोनों को कि हम बिलीव करते हैं, हम लोग जीत पाएंगे। उसके बाद जब जीत गया तो बहुत ही खुशी हो रहा है।
Ohika, your reaction?
Same as they said, we were believing in ourselves. We believed actually. The coach believed. कोच ने मुझे इतना बड़ा लंबा मैसेज किया था कि हम कर सकते हैं और भगवान हमारे साथ है। And she was right. She is always right. She is amazing. इतना वॉक किया हम तीनों ने साथ में कैंप्स में, और हमने प्लान ही किया था कि हम वॉक करेंगे और एकदम सॉलिड वॉक किया था, इसीलिए ये हो गया। और रिएक्शन तो हाँ, ऑफकोर्स होम क्राउड में उन लोगों को ही हराए हम। जैसे ममता दी ने बोला, हमारा बहुत कम था, पर आई बिलीव इन क्वालिटी ओवर क्वांटिटी, सो या।
थोड़ा अपने जर्नी के बारे में बताइए, आप तीनों एक एक करके, कि कहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुँचे।
बहुत ही स्ट्रगल था, तो इतना दूर आए, तो सबका सपोर्ट था, मम्मी पापा, कोचेस, सबका, प्रैक्टिस पार्टनर, अभी जैसे साई फेडरेशन, अभी सपोर्ट स्टाफ, फिजियो, सो सबका सपोर्ट के बिना इधर नहीं आ सकते। अब जब एशियन गेम्स में मेडल मिला तो सबसे ज़्यादा वही याद आ रहे कि जर्नी के बारे में। तो अभी जब ये मेडल जीता उसके बाद जर्नी का जितना भी कठिन हो, फिर भी वो उतना वो नहीं होता है मेडल के सामने, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है।
Ohika, when you were getting the medal, of course it's a surreal feeling, but just describe the feeling.
My eyes were watery a bit. I controlled myself a lot when I was watching my flag was going high. It was like amazing. I was shivering also. I was feeling amazing. Of course, I remembered all the setback, but the comeback was amazing, like always. Yeah.
ममता जी, आपने इन दोनों के साथ जो भी काम किया है, आप फाइनली एक मेडल में ट्रांसफर किया है, तो अभी नेक्स्ट क्या कहाँ कितना सोच रहे हैं नेक्स्ट?
First, I would like to answer the previous question about the journey.
Yes.
So this before starting this match, like the first day when we were traveling for the Asian Games, morning I got a call that my coach has passed away, who was my first coach. So it was like I was totally broken. It was just impossible for me to carry on because he's my first coach, and I think the only reason I'm here is because of him. So I was really very broken, and then I had a big journey ahead of me. So I spoke with our secretary Kamlesh Mehta, and he knew that I had lost my coach just in the morning. So it was very, very difficult period for me to come here, and that is the day when I thought, if something I can give back to him, because I was not able to meet him as I was in Delhi. So I thought that at least I should try my 100%, and a medal would give me happiness that I have done something for him as a coach. So this is the first time he would be seeing me as a coach. So I'm happy that these girls made my dream come true, and it is my all the respect for him that I could be a part of this beautiful journey. Regarding your second question, we won. We played in Tunisia again. We all three were together, and we defeated big teams over there like Korea. We had China. So pretty much the girls were in a very good shape, and they had got a lot of confidence winning the Tunisia Open, because it was the first tournament right for all three of us, and winning on this world stage is not so easy. So we all three had prepared and prayed and worked really hard, and we won it. So we had that confidence that yes, we can do it again. Before coming here, we had planned some sparring partners with help of Sai and Federation, and they had provided us the sparring partners who are young boys of under 15 and 17. They were ranked top in India, Kushal Chopra and Bala. So we had a wonderful time practicing as per our needs, and this girl did a great job of getting the whole benefit and proving the practice was worthy of it. And after coming here also, when we saw the draw a little bit, we were worried that yes, we have China, so this is a big victory for us if we win it. So finally it all happened. It is all hard work of these girls and their belief, and I think the team spirit and that bonding within us is really good, that we are able to put everything together on the one plate.
We are saying three of us here, but can I add some?
Yeah, sure.
Of course, her, Sejal, the physio. Yeah,
Can you come behind?
Yeah.
I should say the four of us. Without her, it wouldn't be possible. Of course.
You have to come behind them because unfortunately, yes, there you go.
Without her, it wouldn't be possible because I started my year with an injury on my back, and it was her. She's a magic. I always say whenever she touches my body and she does this, and I always say you are a magician. So my pain is gone.
Maybe this is a girl power, you can say.
Absolutely,
Just
this
four
is
of us fighting for that medal.
absolutely, and making people wake up to table tennis in India. Thank you.